Right now, many people are scared by the future of AI. They think that AI will replace humans and their jobs. And that is the truth. In the next 10 years, majority of human jobs will be replaced by AI. And this is what is scaring people. But I think being unemployed and being replaced by AI is not a very bad thing. In fact, it is a blessing. And you must be thinking that what is this stupid person saying right now? Well, just give me a minute and listen to what I have to say. Right now, if you look at 85% of the people who are working traditional 9 to 5 jobs or any source of income, they're not happy. They are either working that job because they did not have the educational qualifications for that, or they did not have the skill set for that, or they had both but they do not like that job. This is true for 85% of the people who are working a traditional 9 to 5 job. And with the onset of AI, it will make sure that 85% of these people do end up being unemployed, at least 75% of them. And ultimately, when people will be unemployed, they will have to earn money. But the question is, how do you earn money? The only possible solution is by building something. And how do you build something? It's very simple. You follow your passion. So when people think that AI will be replacing humans, they do not look at the possibility of us having the free time to build something in which we are truly passionate. And you could be thinking that building something is not that easy. Being successful in this generation is not that easy. Well, you're wrong, my friend. This generation is the easiest generation to be successful in. Right now, with all the resources that you have AI, you have internet, you have social media. There are a plethora of ways using which you can earn money. Many people are using these platforms, leveraging their power to become successful in life and earn money. You know what you have to do in this generation to become successful? You have to just do something. In this generation where so many people are distracted by so many things, no one is even doing the ordinary. So even if you do the ordinary, it will be considered extraordinary. That's all you have to do. You have to start on something, you have to be consistent in it, and that's all you have to do. Nothing else. In a parents' generation, this was not the case. Just starting something was not easy. They had to work their asses off. For them, there was no social media influencer. If they wanted to be a fitness influencer, then it was either you have to be a bodybuilder, which takes a lot of hard work. They did not have the platforms using which they could build a reputation from themselves. But we have. They had to make sure that they were working 15 16 hours every single day. They couldn't afford 8 hours of sleep every single day. We can do that because in 3 4 hours we can get work done worth 15 16 hours every single day by using AI. Was that possible 15 20 years ago? Absolutely not, my friend. And even if you look at majority of the people who are earning money through social media, you will find out that they are not the most educated ones out there. And education is very important, but following your passion will make sure you are happy. Being educated will make sure that you are an asset for the society. But what is the point of being an asset for the society if you're not happy with yourself? You could be earning huge amount of money, but if you're not happy with yourself, then there is no point in living life, right? So if AI is pushing us towards the cusp of unemployment, why don't we take that opportunity towards working on something in which we are passionate about? And ultimately and honestly speaking, it's not that difficult. People are not living the life they want to live because they're scared of doing something different. People are scared of standing out. People aren't even trying. And if you do not try something, then how will you get the results? That's the problem. You could fail at 100 different things, but in the end, you only have to succeed once, not in all the things that you're doing right now. So, the easiest way you can be successful is by starting out something and being consistent. It will only take you an year. That's it. And you do not even have to spend 4 5 hours every single day. Making one YouTube video takes me 15-20 minutes, maybe an hour maximum if I include the editing time. But that's it. I'm uploading 2 to 3 videos every single week after college, so I have enough time. Now, if I were to do this 15 years ago, it wouldn't have been possible. The threshold to obtaining success in this generation is the lowest it has ever been. And I do not care what other people say that this generation is the worst to live in. I do not think that. Yes, inflation is very high, we have prices which are very high, but still, if you look at the percentage of people happy, it's increasing on an year to year basis. So, if the reports are saying that the amount of people who are happy is increasing every single day, then how is this generation the worst generation to live in? The thing is, this generation is the easiest generation to live in. If you're born in this generation, then you should be grateful to God. Focus on building something, and within a year, if you're consistent, you will achieve the life you want. That's all in this video. If you like the video, then please share, like, and subscribe. If you do have any feedback, then please let me know in the comments. I will definitely implement them in the next video. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next video.